Do you want to bake a cake that is sweet, moist, and soft? Today we are making a super yummy moist honey cake, and it's so easy. Even little hands can help. Let's get started, and don't forget to tap that like button if you love cake. Here is what we need for the dry ingredients: flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg, salt. Got everything? Great. Now let's mix up the dry ingredients. For the wet ingredients, pour the eggs, sugar, vegetable oil, honey, vanilla extract, give it a good whisk. Add tea to the mixture and whisk very well. Then add the flour, baking powder, baking soda, cinnamon, nutmeg mixture to the wet ingredients. Stir again until it's smooth and nice. This is the fun part of it. Hi! If you're having fun so far, hit the subscribe button so that you will never miss a yummy recipe. Let's pour our batter into the cake pan and bake for about 40 minutes in the oven. It's time to wait and smell the sweet honey magic. Brush the warm cake with honey. at this. So golden, so soft, so moist and sweet. Let's take a closer look. Thanks for baking with me. If you try this honey cake, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your family and friends.